Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So this is a video about how to apply liquid highlighters. I feel like when I would apply a liquid highlighter, it would break up my foundation. I would put it under my foundation and then you couldn't see the liquid highlighter. And then when I would put it over my foundation, it would break up my foundation, and I would put it over foundation and powder, and then it would still just be patchy. So this is a technique that I use to put liquid highlighter on my face, and it doesn't break up my foundation, and you can use this with a stick or a liquid, and it just works really, really well. And I want to help those achieve a flawless highlight with a liquid highlighter without breaking up your makeup. First, I have here the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. It's called Easy Highlighter, and this is in the shade Spotlight. So it comes with a sponge tip applicator. You twist this to open and close it, and you just kind of squeeze the product out. When I watch a lot of TikTok videos and YouTube videos, and people just go directly on their face with this, which is the design of the product, especially with the sponge tip. However, it doesn't work for me. It causes my makeup to break up sometimes. I don't know if it's the formula, if it's the technique, if it's the friction, or what it is. But for me, I have a technique where I will just take this, squeeze out a little bit of the product here, and I will put it on the back of my hand. That's actually crap. I put a lot of product on the back of my hand. But anyway, right there is the highlighter. So I'm gonna take my foundation sponge. You can do this wet, dry. Mine's pretty dry right now, but you're gonna just tap into the foundation, or tap into the highlight here. And so actually I already have powder highlight on, but I really just want to show how you can do this on top of powder and foundation and get that really pretty liquidy highlight look. So then you're just going to tap it lightly just on your cheekbones here, and it won't break up your foundation. And then I'm going to tap it above my brow here. And if you see, look at that. Flawless application without breaking up my foundation. Ooh, look at that line. Flawless application without breaking up my foundation. Like, that is funny. And see how I'm getting a little crazy here? I'm just like patting, 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 patting. And my foundation is not moving, and my skin is glowing. All right. So, stick foundation. This is the Merit highlighter in the shade Cava. I love this stuff. So it's a beautiful highlighting balm is what they call it. So I'm just gonna put a lot of this on my hand. This is my favorite product actually to liquid highlight with. So I'm just gonna rub a bunch here. Look how pretty that is. Of course, right next to Charlotte Tilbury, like these both are just ride or die, flawless liquid highlighters. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take the brush, again, pat it up in this, get it all coated, nice. And this one is way more natural looking than the Charlotte Tilbury one. But then I'm going to apply this on top of my foundation here. I already have a highlight, but I'm just like tapping, tap, 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 tap. And you see how that's not breaking up my foundation? And this is a more oily highlighter compared to the Charlotte Tilbury one. And I'm just tapping, 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 tapping all over, getting a little crazy, but it's just so good. This one to me is way more natural and better than a Charlotte Tilbury, but like, look at that. You see that glow? It looks like I'm just like outside building up my own natural oils. It's just flawless and I love it. So this application for liquid highlight, and so this is just a close-up here, how you can see the highlighter on my face. This is the Merit side. It's a beautiful glowy highlight, and it just looks flawless and no makeup is broken up. And then this side is the Charlotte Tilbury, also a flawless liquid highlight, no makeup is broken up, and it is just the perfect way to apply a liquid highlighter. It's just really helped me. And it's really simple, you know, but like I feel like on the TikTok videos and YouTube videos where people are just applying it directly on their foundation and just like, I don't know, I don't know, it wasn't working for me. It was causing my foundation to break up. I don't know if you were having the same problem, but this technique has just like, it's just amazing and it works. And I thought, you know, there's probably someone else out there who is struggling with applying liquid highlight, and I'm gonna help them out. So that is how I apply my liquid highlighter. I'm gonna have all those products linked below. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what your favorite liquid highlighters are, and then I'll see you in my next video.